Hello everyone. So in this session we'll see another question on double integration. It says find the volume bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus z equal to 4. Right? So let us see what is it and how to solve this. We need to find the volume of this plane. So double integration can help us to find the volume, right? So let's see what is the plane and what is the region. Let's say this is x, this is y, and this is z. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means we are into the yz plane, y equal to 0 means we are into the xz plane, and z equal to 0 means we are in the xy plane, right? That means this is one plane, this is one plane, and this is one plane. You can see these three are planes, right? These three are planes, of which what we want is this line 2x plus y plus z equal to 4, which is a plane here. So what we can do is, let's see, once we are in the plane z equal to 0, z equal to 0 means we are in the xy plane, and for xy plane, once z is equal to 0, we'll have 2x plus y equal to 4, right? So this is nothing but a straight line, and the points for x and y intersection will be x is going to be 2 and y is going to be 4. So let's say this is 2 and let's say this is 4. So this is a straight line. This is nothing but 2x plus y is equal to 4, right? Apart from this, on this z axis, if you see on this z axis, we will have both x and y equal to 0. So I'm saying after this z equal to 0, z axis means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to also 0. So from this equation, we'll see that from the plane equation, we'll see that in that case z should be equal to 4. Let's say this is z equal to 4. This is 4, this is 2, and this is 4. So we can join this line. I hope we can join it properly. Better? Similarly, we can join this line. Better. Fine. Now you can see what we were talking about. Now you can see this. This is a tetrahedron on this axis, and for this plane, this is the plane now. This is the plane. For this plane, there will be a projection on the xy plane, and this projection is nothing but this one. So this is the projection R of the plane Z equal to such and such thing. This is the plane, right? So in order to find the volume, what we can do is we can find this volume as double integration for this region R, and we'll have to write the function f of x comma y and integrate it with respect to dx dy or dy dx, anything is okay. Let's do it in dy dx. So what is this f of xy? This f of xy is nothing but, from the same equation, do you see that we can write z is equal to 4 minus 2x minus y. This is nothing but the function of x, y. Like we were discussing the theory part where we said that f of xy is generally the plane where z is given in terms of x and y. So this is it. This is what we were talking about, and we have this region also. So we have to integrate this function 4 minus 2x minus y dy dx for the region R. Right? Now we can check for the limits and then integrate this. Coming back to our favorite xy plane, this is x, this is y, and this is the region R. Right? This is that region. This is 2, 0, this is 0, 4, and this line is nothing but, once this z is equal to 0, the line will become 2x plus y is equal to 4. Right? This is the line. So, like we have kept the order of integration as dy dx, we'll have to take a horizontal element. We'll have to take a horizontal element, and this element will have the lower limit at y is equal to 0. This is y is equal to 0, and the upper limit will be at, the same line can be given as y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So this upper limit is on the line y is equal to 4 minus 2x, and we can see this element is defined in the limit of, or in the interval of, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. Right? This is the region, or this is the interval for which this vertical element will start from here and end up to here, like this. Right? So that means the limits are clear now. The limits are integration of 4 minus 2x minus y with respect to y. The limits are y equal to 0 to 4 minus 2x, and then the integration with respect to x for the limit 0, that is x is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 2. We have to find this, and that will give the volume of this area or region enclosed by the plane in the xyz plane. Right? So let's start with the y integration. This y integration will give 4y minus 2xy minus y square by 2, and the limits are 0 and 4 minus 2x, for which we'll do the dx integration now for the limit 0 to 2. So this will give us, you can put the limits, and this will give us 1 by 2 4 minus 2x whole square, integration from 0 to 2 dx. Right? In this case, we had a very simple task to integrate the function with respect to y and put the limits given. That's it. So this is going to give this, and now we have to integrate this function with respect to x and then put the limits at as 0 and 2. This will give you 16 by 3. I'm sure we can do this integration. There's nothing but 4 minus 2x ka whole square, so it will become 4 minus 2x ka cube divided by 3 and divided by this minus 2. Right? And then we can put the limits as 0 to 2. So this will give you 16 by 3. So this is how we'll solve this double integration, or finding the volume of a function or a plane given.